welcome back to P.S. by HannahMarie, a plain and simple place to talk all things clean beauty and lifestyle. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So today I'm going to show you guys how to use the Naturale cream color corrector in Peach. And this is going to really help to brighten the under eye area, help with dark circles or bags under your eyes. So I'm going to show you how to use that today. So I've already put the base of my foundation down. I used the Inica BB cream. This is in the shade beige and I really enjoy this BB cream, and this was one of the first clean beauty foundations that I tried and I fell in love with it from the start. It has really amazing skin loving ingredients in here. I believe it even has like prickly pear seed oil, so it's super high in vitamin E. So you can also purchase this at the Choosy chick. Both of these items can be purchased there. I will leave all the links to the products in the description box below. So like I said, I started off with this and I just used my MOTD Beauty and the base brush. Okay, so now we're going to start with this. Peach really helps to color correct more of the blue and purple shades. So this is almost just like a concealer, but it has more of a peach shade. It's super creamy. You have the option to apply it directly underneath your eye area, or you can use a brush like the MOTD Conceal Your Secret brush. On this half of my face, I'm going to show you how I apply it just straight from the tube, and then on this side I'll show you how you can do it with the brush, but I'll do them separate so you can see the difference. So I like to apply this in kind of a V, and so that way you get the kind of brightened and highlighted eye area. So you can see right here, I haven't even blended it in yet, but you can see that it totally brightened this side of my face already. So now I'm just going to take my MOTD Conceal Your Secret brush and just blend this in. Okay, so do you guys see the difference? Look at how much brighter this side of my face is. I'm going to just kind of do this so you can see. You can see it's more even, brightened, not so much of the dark under my eye. Alright, so now that we have this side done, I'm going to use the brush on this side of my face. And again, I'm just going to kind of apply it in a V or a triangle. I guess that's more like it. But I kind of like to go up here a little bit because it kind of gives that highlighted look. Just adds a natural highlight. Okay. So I just finished doing this side and blending it in. If you want to blend it in a little bit more, you can take the foundation brush that you used earlier and just kind of gently blend it. If you just want to tone it down a little bit more or whatever your needs are. But you can see that it's completely transformed my under eye area and really brightened it up. So now I'm going to finish and complete my makeup look, and I'll come back and show you the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look. Just very glowy. I kind of did a little bit of a smoky eye because I thought that would be fun. It has a little bit of more of a blue tint to it, but you can see that my under eye is still really brightened and I just look more awake. So this is a great option if you're looking for something to really brighten that under eye area and to help with dark under eye circles. I hope this video and tutorial was helpful for you. I'll leave all the links in the description box below to all the products I used for my makeup look, as well as the Naturale cream color corrector in peach. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. And I look forward to seeing you next time.